episode 1 of my journey to $10,000 before 18 using AI automation. So this is gonna be me documenting my journey to making $10,000 we're using AI automation before I turn 18. So my name is Gomolemo Lethoko, and today I am starting my journey that I've been thinking about for a very, very, very long time. I'm building this YouTube channel document how I'm going to make the $10,000 before I turn 18 by May 23rd, 2026 using AI automation. I know, right? I don't know when is my birthday. No, I do know. So as a matter of fact, I made a little reminder for myself with this little calendar over here, and there is my date over there. And with me posting this YouTube video, this is a way for me to keep myself accountable on my mission and my way out. Because me knowing that every day at some point I have to come over here and update you guys and give you an update as to how my journey to making $10,000 is going about and where I am in the journey is gonna help me be more accountable and hold myself accountable. That is the correct way to use it. Ugh. So I understand that everyone out here in the internet wants to become a millionaire and they all want to drive Lamborghinis and this and that, and I get it. I get it. But I'm a 17-year-old living with my mother and my sister. And I'm starting to think that maybe I should have involved them in this picture over here. But yeah, that's me right there. As you can see, it is me. I'm a real person with this beautiful, stunning smile of mine. Ooh, man. So every month we survive on around $64 to around $70, which isn't much for groceries, for electricity, for a whole bunch of other things that you can ever imagine. And at this point, I feel like we've lived like this for long enough. And it's about time that I took this whole thing seriously and I made a fucking change. Ooh, that's not a good word. Ooh. Because I'm tired. I'm tired of watching time pass while nothing changes. So I'm making a decision today publicly to change the situation. And why am I doing this, right? Because I have tried everything. And by everything, I mean literally everything. I have tried SMMA. I've tried dropshipping. I think I wrote it. Dropshipping, random online hustles. I've tried a lot of things. I've tried a lot of things to a point that it's a bit embarrassing how many times I have failed. This is me. Every time I think about all of the things that I have tried to do and they have all amounted to nothing. He looks very depressed. Because he is. But none of it ever felt like it was taking me somewhere. It never did. But this time it is different because this time I am not building alone. I am building with you, the audience, watching my every single step. So whether I fail or whether I succeed, I am documenting everything because I want to be real with you. But most importantly, I want to be real with myself because I'm starting to think that maybe in all of those other businesses, I didn't succeed because maybe I wasn't being as accountable as I had to be. Or maybe I don't know what was wrong. But I want to be real with myself and I really want to hold myself accountable. And my goal is to make $10,000 before I turn 18 years, which is roughly around 6 months from now. By the time of this recording, it is the 30th of November, 2025. And if I have to post every day, I say I will post every single day. If I can post multiple times a day, I will post multiple times a day. And I am going to accomplish this goal of making $10,000 before I turn 18 by learning AI automation and implementing it into businesses with tools such as N8N, Make.com, and a whole bunch of other things. Now, unlike all these other people online who are trying this whole thing out, as I have said, we are literally surviving around $70 a month, and there is no way for my mother to fund this whole entire thing, or me to come up here. So I don't even have money for cold emails. I'm not running any advertisements. I don't have any money for outreach tools or anything fancy. All that I have is a phone, and I spend my last bit of money on internet access and a YouTube channel and a mission to make $10,000 a month. So this YouTube right here, this is my only traffic source. This is my entire strategy, and I'm about to break down my entire strategy right now. So if you are a business owner and you are watching this video, I am offering 10 businesses the chance for me to implement AI automation inside of your business completely for free. Absolutely for free. And if you are not a business owner and you're watching this, send this video to a business owner and tell them that, hey, I am implementing AI automations for 10 businesses for absolutely free. All I ask in return is a testimonial and a permission to showcase some of the parts of the build if you're comfortable, and share some of the results that these AI that I would have implemented in your business have gotten you. That's it. That's all. And that is what I am offering. Now, back to my $10,000 goal. How am I accomplishing this? Right? My plan is simple. Learn AI automation deeply. And what I mean deeply, I mean consume it. I mean suck it. Everything about AI automation to a point that it is me. Everything about me is AI automation. And it's simple. And by the way, I am not necessarily like a full-on like beginner. I have built some AI receptionist and a whole bunch of other things, but I did those things because I was just having fun playing around, because AI is hyped and all these things. And now I think I'm thinking about it, and I think that it's about time that I took it seriously, because I've been doing some analysis, which I'm about to break down as I continue scrolling down. And I'll tell you why I'm taking this super seriously at this point. So I'll be studying every day. Right? This is the step one of my plan. Every day, YouTube videos, examples, case studies. Hell, listen, when I say I am going to consume this knowledge, I've even joined all of these school communities that talk about AI. Is there school communities for AI automation, and a bunch of other people who are already building these things. And being in these communities, I believe that it will help me to, to just be, they say you're the sum of the 5 people you hang around with. And this is a way for me to sort of bathe myself with AI automation. Just drink it, eat everything about AI. This is a way for me to do it. The second part of my plan is to build workflows publicly. By this, I mean like I'll be recording myself, creating automation, fixing problems, and learning in real time. And thirdly, I will be posting consistently all of these workflows that I am building, that I'm learning about, and everything that I'm learning in this YouTube channel. So every day, if possible, I am posting, because consistency is the only thing that I control. And if you are like me, and I think that if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you are quite familiar with this person, Alex Hormozy. He's like the king of business over here on YouTube. And he recently held an event for business owners and whatsoever. And one of the things that he talks about is consistency. And that no matter how talented you are, you cannot beat someone who is consistent. You can be as talented as you are, but if you're not consistent, you are going to lose against someone who is consistent. And so I could not find that quote of him saying that. However, I did find this quote, which I think is pretty cool. So if it relates to you, hey, well, God. So your biggest threat isn't your competition. It's the mediocre version of you that you have accepted as good enough. I've never heard anything wiser than this. All right, number 4 is getting clients through my YouTube content. Now, as I am saying, I'm not running advertisement. I'm not running cold email outreach. I'm not doing cold call. I'm not doing this. Is literally my entire strategy. No ad, no cold outreach, just storytelling and proof of me building AI automations publicly over here. And yeah, and with the offer, did I involve the offer? No. The part of this is my offer of offering 10 businesses a free build in exchange for a testimonial, so that I can go on and read and find more clients. And then after getting these 10 clients, after implementing AI inside of these 10 businesses in exchange for a testimonial, I'll then ask for referrals from them. Now, whether I get the referrals or not, I don't know. But with those testimonials, I'll then start to charge for AI builds. Now, these AI builds go around for $5,000, for $10,000, for $12,000. Apparently, I don't know. We've heard rumors. I will believe it when I see it. But personally, I just want to start small. I'll stack small wins until I reach my goal of $10,000. $1,500 here, $2,500 here, little by little until it adds up, and then I reach my goal. Uh, hopefully, I'm hopefully. Now, the reason that I'm going all in AI is that I believe that the businesses that don't adopt AI in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, they are going to fall behind, because with all this AI trend and all these things, you're probably watching this. Maybe you're a skeptic, and that's fine. But I believe that the businesses that solely rely on AI, at some point, 80% of these businesses are all going to fall off. They're all gonna fall off. The reason why I say this is that we have giants like OpenAI, DeepSeek, we have Google with Gemini's and all these different tools. They are the big players of the game inside of the AI. And at some point, they're gonna like come up with tools so quick, and all these guys are not gonna be able to keep up. And almost 80% of them, that is what I'm betting, 70 to 80% of them, they're all gonna fall off. And then there's this other part, which is everyone who's like, we are not gonna be involved in this AI bullshit. Then I'm not gonna be involved in all these AI things. And so I'm gonna stay away from AI, and my business is gonna stay away from AI. These guys are gonna fall behind from these guys in the middle. By the middle, maybe I should have done a diagram. Did I do a diagram? No. But these guys in the middle who are going to survive and who are going to lead this revolution, because we are in the middle of a revolution, if you think about it, they're gonna be the guys who utilize AI and human, and they combine these two for an ultimate masterpiece. And if you think that I'm crazy, literally, let me try to make it make sense. So, for example, there is a business. This business, it was 80% of their stuff. I don't remember whether I read it or saw it somewhere. But the employees were spending most of their time on customer support, and they had this agency in one of the communities that I joined, and then this person was implemented a customer support system so that it handles all the customer support. And now everyone that was busy with customer support, they now had time to do other things inside of the business. So this is a way that AI, and obviously it is monitored by a person, right? We have to make sure that these things don't kill us. So this is the way in which you can sort of balance AI with humans. And the last thing that I'm going to go on is that if you're big on reading books about success, money, business, etc., there's a book called 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, and he talks about this thing. And this book was written before even AI became mainstream, and he was talking about this very same concept. I forgot my book. This is the book that I'm talking about. This book was written, I don't know when was it written. 2012, I don't know. It was written a very long time ago, but he was talking about this very concept that I'm telling you about, that AI is going to be, the people are going to win, the business are going to win, and they want to combine AI with humans. Now, overall, this thing, going back to my example, this increases efficiency, it reduces cost, overall saving time. All of these three factors, increasing efficiency, reducing cost, and saving time, all amount to this very one goal, which is this very thing, which is increasing revenue. And you can see the dollar sign, the dollar sign, the dollar sign. This is the money that I'm talking about here. This is the result of AI. So if you run a business, these are not nice to have. Having AI inside of your business is not a nice to have. It is a survival, because AI is not replacing businesses. No, AI is replacing businesses that are using AI, is replacing businesses that are not using AI. And I am dedicating everything to helping companies get ahead before it is too late. So this is episode 1. And if you want to follow my journey from broke 17-year-old to making $10,000 before 18, subscribe, follow along. And if you are a business owner and you want one of the 10 free AI automation slots, comment, message, and apply, or even apply using the link in the description. Let's build something powerful together, because this is only the beginning. I will see you. Danko.